Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to fix Warzone's crashes, stuttering, freezing, black screen and FPS issues on your PC. These steps help improve the performance and the stability. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to click on the search icon here in your Windows or in your laptop. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for your graphics provider. Currently, I'm using NVIDIA, so I have opened the NVIDIA application. You can open any of the graphic drivers that is available. Now here, click on the option of drivers, then click on the option of check for updates. Over here, if you see this install button, simply click on it and install your graphic drivers to the latest version. The outdated drivers often cause the crashes and the performance drop in Warzone. Now, in the second step, you need to come out of your game completely, then open its launcher. In the game settings, simply use the option of repair or verify option to fix the missing or the broken files. You can also try the graphics settings and lower the heavy options like the shadows, textures, and the effects. You can set the game to the full screen mode and enable any of the performance focused options. Afterwards, close the background applications such as the browsers, overlays, and the screen recorders. These programs use the system resources and can cause stutter and freezing. Finally, simply check your Windows update by going to the settings of your device. So here in the settings, when you click on the option of Windows update, you will find the option here. If you see any update, simply update your device, then restart your PC before launching the game again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.